What's up, happy people? We're here with Two Plated Catch and Release, and today we're going to show you on how we make
burgers that changed our lives.
So, this is what you're going to need. It's very simple. So, like, you know that salt that comes in those little, like, pretzel packets, right? So, just need one of those. Need Everglades fish and chicken and pepper. Simple things. That's all you need. Corbin's going to season his up a different way. So Corbin, come on up here. He has like 100 different things going on here.
Let's do this. I have some sea salt, Everglades Original, everything seasoning, and I have Everglades cactus dust.
So what we're going to do here is we're going to open up our burgers. Try not to get the blood and all that juice everywhere. Okay guys, so I finally got that package opened, so I got my 3 burgers here. So for the way that I'm doing this is you just want to take the salt, pour it into your hand, then make sure you get both sides, but you just want to go very, very light. So see, I'm going, like that's probably almost too much, so I got that. I'm gonna push it in there. Now I'm gonna flip my burger, do it, the same thing there. Push it in. Now I'm gonna repeat on the rest of my burgers.
Perfect. I'm just gonna put some Parmesan cheese on this one, some everything seasoning, and sea salt. Yeah.
Okay, so once we're done with that, we're gonna take our pepper and just like this, see? Just
Nice little sprinkle.
now do that on the front and backs of all your burgers. And remember, you have to
Rub it in. Have to rub it in.
just massage it in there. What are you doing?
Hey, Corb, don't use it out of that. Use it out of the salt shaker. It's going to come out too much on that one, okay?
Okay, so I got that on there. Now I'm taking my Everglades fish and chicken. Everglades, great seasoning that you guys have. So see here, I'm putting it on the light setting. I'm just gonna go. That's probably too much. Then just massage it in there. Do it on the back, and then I'm gonna do it on the other 2. Okay, so right now I have 3 perfectly seasoned hamburger patties. Let's do it.
I'm just gonna put some everything seasoning. I just put some Everglades Original on it, and I just put some sea salt.
And guys, whatever you do, don't forget is after you're dealing with meat, make sure to wash your hands. All that stuff is really bad for you, so make sure you wash your hands.
And then this last one, I'm just gonna put some of Everglades cactus dust on it. If I can even get it out, that should be plenty. I put some everything seasoning on it. Salt. Then I'm done.
Okay, y'all, so we have our burgers over there. We have Corbin right here. If you're wondering why the spatula looks so weird, that's because it's a fish spatula. Do you need the spatula? No. Am I using it? Yes. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. So first, I'm going to take our olive oil here, and I'm just going to drizzle it over a pan. So that spot might be a little much. That should be good, though. I'm going to take the spatula, kind of spread it out there. Spread the blood. That was a mistake. Don't try this at home, kids. Okay, so I'm gonna start this up right now. Okay, so we're putting it on high. Okay, so we're gonna take this green one. If you wonder why we have toothpicks, it's so that we know whose are whose. So I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna put it on here. Just like that. Heat's going, that's good. I'm gonna stick the toothpick back in and take this other burger And there we go. Okay, so we got this going. It's looking pretty good. Can I flip it yet?
Sure.
So I'm gonna take them here, flip it. It's my first day, folks. So I mean, that doesn't look great, but it doesn't look bad. Okay, guys, so this step is for our cheese sauce that we're gonna pour on top. Now this step is very, very important.
Do not get it wrong.
So here's what we're gonna have to do. So we have a little pan here. Now we took 1 tablespoon of butter, poured it on there. We're gonna set it on our stove, and we're just gonna let that go on medium low. Then taking the spatula, just rub it all around. Now we have 6 people to feed, so we have 2 things of string cheese, 3 things of American cheese, and just a pinch of Velveeta. Now we're gonna throw it in there and we're gonna stir it up. The main thing to do is make sure it does not burn. Here we go. Okay guys, so we put another burger on. Now I had to change this up to high so you can see how it's looking. So I'm kind of just like chopping up the string cheeses, starting to smell like Velveeta cheese, even though we only put like a tiny pinch, and just a pinch of Velveeta. But I mean, it's looking really good, don't you guys think? We're gonna keep letting it melt down, and then we'll pour it on a sauce on top of our hamburgers. Okay guys, we have loud background because we have loud kids not pointing. But the sauce is looking great, as you can see. Burgers are looking good. We'll catch up with you when the sauce is done, when my burgers go on, and when it's time to eat. So one thing to your buns that is very good, that takes your buns just up a level, is putting them in the toaster and toasting your buns. There are a ton of different ways to do it. We have much stuff going on, so I'm just making it simple. Throw them on in the toaster, and now they're toasting. Okay, so I'm taking my buns out. Look at that. That is just perfectly golden brown. So now I'm gonna wait for my burgers to be done. Put on, just like Corbin's, I'll put burger, the cheese, then this, and oh my goodness, it'll be great. Okay guys, we're gonna pray here. Okay, come on in, Dad, find a spot, any spot. Okay, you can sit in the baby chair for now. Okay, how about we pray?
Let's pray, Calvin.
Dear Jesus, Lord, thank you for today. Thank you for this great food we have. We just thank you that we get warm food. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, so we got the perfectly toasted bun.
Give me my plate, please.
You'd like a different chair?
We got the perfectly toasted bun, cheese sauce, the bun. Now, cheers. Let's try it. So good. So good.
We are